Suno keeps coming back with new updates to its platform, and the latest one is something they are calling Mashups. This gives you the ability to combine different genres of music into one song. Let's show you how to use songs in your library to create your own mashups. And later in the video, I will show you how to use any song from Suno to create mashups. These are even songs that are not in your library. The first method to create a mashup is to find a song in your library and drag it over to the Create column. You're going to see this remix option pop up. As soon as you let go, switch over to the Mashup button, and then you're going to get an opportunity to add a second song. Find the second song and drag it over. You'll get a pop-up like this, which is asking you whether or not you want to use the lyrics from the second song, keep the current lyrics, or mash up both. For now, I'm going to click Keep Current Lyrics. The second method to create mashups is, again, find the song in your library, hover over the three dots, and this will open the context menu. You'll now see a section under Remix Edit that is called Mashup. Click on it, and the song will be added to the Create column. Back to lyrics. In the lyrics section, you'll notice that now there's these buttons. So if you wanted to go back to lyrics from the first song, you could just click that, and you'll be asked to override it. Click overwrite, and then it'll revert back to lyrics from the original song. And then you can even do it for the second one. And what mashing up lyrics does is it combines both song lyrics together for unique combinations. Lyrics can still be manually edited. Clicking into it, you can delete, you can add in lyrics, you can cut and paste lyrics and even move them around. Under styles, by default, Suno will combine the genres from both songs if you leave this area blank. Even with it blank, you can still see the styles that Suno pulled out, which are currently grayed out. But there's nothing stopping you from typing in any type of style that you want to take the song in a completely different direction. That's entirely up to you. Under advanced options, all of the same functionality is still there that you would use when you're creating non-mashup songs. And of course, much like regular songs, for audio influence, the more you move it up, the more closely the song is going to stay to the original voice. You can of course still edit the song title, and when you're ready, click Create. Here's some mashups that I created to give you a sense of what it sounds like. In this first example, I combined a country song with an R&B song. Here's a quick sample of the country song on its own.
Dreams where the wild winds rain from the canyons call to the mountains bend this
This one's the R&B.
As in the past, you had your chance, had my soul in your hands. Now you're drowning in the quicksand.
And here's the mashup.
I see shadow in the midnight glow, calling my name, but it's a voice I don't know. You left me broken, let me out in the rain. Now you're back, trying to rekindle the flame. But the fire's gone, girl, it's all turned to ash. Memories fade like it lies in the past. You had your chance, had my soul in your hands. Now you're drowning in the quicksand. You thought I wait, thought I break, thought I fall, but I'm colder now, my heart's ice in the cold. You're chasing ghosts, trying to rewrite the end, but I'm done with the games, I won't bend. You lost the best and girl, you threw it away. Lost my love in the dark, let it fade. Now you're knocking but the door's locked.
This second one is combining a slower kind of pop feeling song with rap. Here's the first sample.
wrapping around my weary frame, a cage of crystal echoes calling out.
This one's the rap one.
Different sake on the crew, but these girls slide in the DMs acting like they know me, chasing the glow up of respect they never show me. Want the Birkin bags.
Here's the mashup.
In the mirror's misty haze, I see a ghost in lace, Whispers from the shadows pulling me to forgotten space. Doubts like velvet thorns wrapping around my weary frame. A cage of crystal echoes calling out my name. But deep in the velvet night, a spark begins to gleam.
This next one is combining old school rock with funk. Here's the rock one.
Now that she's gone, I can still hear her ride. Say you want me, well that makes two of us.
Here's the funk.
Oh, you don't move too quick. Hey, yeah. Oh, you don't move too.
And here's the mashup.
Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Come on, start us, baby. Ooh, and her hair's not tied. Now that she's gone, I can still hear her ride. I was on my way to heaven. I was looking for my shoes when she was going to sleep, but now I'm singing the blues.
Let's show you how to use any Suno song that's completely outside of your own library in your own mashups. Earlier you might have noticed once you've added a song to the create column, there's a plus button. Instead of dragging the second song, click on it. And what this is going to do is this is going to open up a window with two tabs. The first tab is My Library, which is self-explanatory. This is where you can just search for your own songs. But on the second tab, there's something called Everything. And this gives you the ability to search Suno's full song library from other creators to pull into your mashups. Now, I understand it can be very tedious if you don't know the name of the song or you're trying to search for something in particular. Here's a very fast and easy way for you to get that song. I'm back on the Suno homepage. I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to find a random song. Once the song loads, come to the top of the URL, copy it, go back to the original tab that you were just on, paste it. Suno will pull up the song, and then now all you have to do is click on select. You'll be provided with that same pop-up, make the decision that you want to make on what you do with the lyrics. And then that song will be pulled in. Just keep in mind that not every creator allows their song to be remixed. Keep in mind that if you're trying to pull in a song and you don't see the select button, it's most likely that creator doesn't allow remixing. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content available that you can click on right here.